Welcome to this video on how to choose the best seeds for microgreens. Microgreens are a nutrient-rich food source that are easy to grow and can be used in a variety of dishes. In this video, we'll go over the different types of seeds to choose from and how to select the best ones for growing microgreens. There are many different types of seeds to choose from when growing microgreens, including alfalfa, broccoli, mustard, radish, and more. Each type of seed has its own flavor and nutritional benefits, so it's important to choose the right ones for your needs. When choosing your seeds, you'll need to decide between organic or non-organic options. Organic seeds are grown without the use of synthetic pesticides or fertilizers, making them a healthier choice for you and the environment. Non-organic seeds are typically less expensive, but may contain harmful chemicals. When selecting your seeds, it's important to choose ones of high quality. Look for seeds that are fresh, plump, and not damaged. You can also check the germination rate to ensure that you're getting seeds that will actually grow. There are many places to buy microgreen seeds, including online retailers, local nurseries and garden centers, and even some grocery stores. Be sure to do your research and read reviews before making a purchase to ensure that you're getting the best quality seeds. Choosing the best seeds for your microgreens can make all the difference in the quality and flavor of your crop. By selecting the right type of seed and ensuring that it's of high quality, you'll be on your way to growing a healthy and delicious yield of microgreens.